Alright, we're going to take a look at some of the current Awesome Oscillator Trade Setups. The disclaimer, so please feel free to pause here and read the disclaimer. And if you have not seen the Awesome Oscillator video I did a little bit ago, check that out. You'll find it here at currencywaves.com or on the YouTube channel here. So we will start with the Euro US dollar. Right now, we're looking at a possible saucer. We need to close above 25.76 for that to kick in. Your stop would be below 24.65, and by the way, these are 4-hour charts, so I'm doing the setups on. Yeah, so your stop would be 24.65. I do not intend on taking this if it does close above 25.76. I'm looking for this as a wave 1 of wave 5. And we'd possibly target 26.50 to 27. So I may wait for a pullback here and take the next signal up on this setup is what I will probably do. The Aussie dollar is currently in a very small saucer here. We had some red, went green, back to red. So you short on the close below this candle, which happened right here. And you got a few pips and then it backed off. So this is still valid, haven't been stopped out. If you like the setup, you could still go short with a smaller stop. It'd be at 429. A little better entry with a target down of 312. Okay. The pound, we had a zero line cross here. As you can see here by this AWE here, we were negative 0.00136. And something I wanted to mention too is, example here, I won't take it unless it's a negative, a triple digit here. Here, this one's only 0.0051, so on the negative side. Otherwise, you take on a sideways slow day consolidation, you're going to get beat to crap. So anyway, close below 57.54 with a stop wherever this high would happen, swing high would happen to be, and we may end up with another one here if this continues down with another saucer here, and still have the zero line cross open. So there could be two setups there. New Zealand had the zero line cross. Actually, way back here, like I said, I won't take it unless it's a triple digit. On most of these, so this was 0.00101 on this candle, closed below it on this candle. So there was your entry stop, 81299. Got the first profit target already of 48.3. And if I did take this trade, which I didn't because it was triggered before I even looked at it, I'd move my stops to just above break even now, because if this were a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 3, and then we have a 4 or something going on. I'm not sure what the count is, but Euro pound, here we have a sideways saucer, waiting for a close above 79.55. But I would not take that. We're looking at triple divergence here. Between here, here. You know, even if this does make a new high, it's still going to be divergence against this last high. So I have a note here, Twin Peaks coming up. So if that happens, we get a new high, we'll wait for a red bar and we'll short the close below that first candle in that red bar. Euro Aussie also has a little saucer going on here. Waiting for a close above 21.15. Again, probably got some Twin Peaks going on here, so I'd be a little hesitant myself to take that trade. Aussie yen, we already have Twin Peaks going on here with this divergence. So a close above 81.69 could be a long trigger with a stop just here at 81.23. Dollar yen. Had a saucer going here, but again, we got a green bar, so now we have to wait for the next one. So nothing really going on here yet. I'm looking at this as a possible 1, 2, 3, sideways 4, and we're going to see maybe 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 to complete a fifth wave here. And that would probably give us Twin Peaks here for a possible trade back up. Pound yen, we had a little saucer here, which would have triggered here, so close below 23.70. But now we've got another green bar, thankfully, because that would have been a long stop, waiting for it to close down here. So if we get another red bar here pretty quick, we could have a little better setup going on for a short there. Euro, we have the zero line cross with a close below 97.88. And it hasn't crossed back up yet, so this still is valid. And we may end up with zero line cross in a saucer here over the next few sessions. CAD, we got the zero line cross right here on this one. So close below 98.42, and then we have a double bottom going on here. Possibly 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 and a 4, 5 coming down here yet. Swissy. Actually have a triple here if we look at the cursor data there. The AWE is at 108 right now. So close below 98.48 would trigger a short for this saucer. But be careful with that, because obviously it looks like we're going to have some divergence going on here, even if when we get to a new low, because this is so low already. All right, that's what I have for the Awesome Oscillator setups. I'll continue to update these. I think this setup actually fits better with the Elliott wave counts than does the other setups that I was showing on the 4-hour chart with the moving average, the Heikin-Ashi stuff. So, all right, thank you.